Hey, how you doing? JJ here with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. I just got done with, see the shadow, the day is dropping. I'm in a hurry. I am now single JJ. I've got to get on my date tonight. I just wanted to get through this wash here quick. So let me tell you, few things about ONR. I've been using it for about a year now. As far as my first video, which will be part one, the emulsification and the encapsulation on a very filthy, dirty car that had just a ton of pollen, of traffic film, of just all kinds of crud. Car comes out. Whoops, missed a spot. Here we go. I'm gonna do this. Hey, JJ here. Look, a little bit of a mess. I gotta get in the shower. But I do want to say I had a little bit of tar kick up, it looked like. I mean, it was black and sticky, and I gotta say, a little bit of pre-treatment and a couple rubs over it. Everything came out great. I'm starting to get a little better on my streak-free glass cleaning. I see a couple minor streaks there. But you know, wheels came out nice. But I do feel like the emulsification of some of the bug splatter. I came in on a nice tight view of the side mirror before. It had some love bug splatters and just general bugs. Front wheels, I did a video the other day. I did not dry these off. Like I said, I'm in a hurry. I got to get in, get on the shower. But these things were black. They were filthy, filthy dirty. And now they look presentable. Yeah, maybe a little tar there. But no big deal. As far as a quick wash, I don't know. 18 minutes doing this entire car is my timed record. Yes, I do time myself on all of my services, actually, because time is money, and I want to know what it costs me to do everything I do provide for clients and also for myself. If I'm tight on time, I'm like, okay, I got half an hour. Can I wash my car? Yep. I have buckets and soap and, you know, a bunch of different mitts. I use like the 12 mitt method generally to you know, decrease the marring. Get your words out, Jeff. But anyway, I just wanted to give you my impersonation. I impersonate myself right now. My impression of ONR as a pre-treater. Get my shadow out of here. For a very dirty car, I think made very little difference as far as what would hose off. But when I came back out here and shot and pre-treat, you know, a panel at a time and, you know, let it sit a couple minutes and then went to wipe, I felt like the wiping was coming off very, very easily. I am a believer in pre-treating. It's not going to change my viewpoint just because my little experiment today went the way it did. But I hope this gives you a little better understanding. Do pre-treat things. It will help you. Work in small areas, especially when you're working in the sun, just, you know, a panel or so at a time, and you'll get good results. So anyway, I thank you very much. Thanks for viewing my channel. Be sure and check out part one and part two of this so it'll all make sense to you. And please subscribe, please like. I'm growing this thing. I've got my new computer. I'm busting out the camera more and more instead of this cell phone, which is actually not my old crappy cell phone. It's actually a better LG. I believe it's LK20. So plus. Anyway, I thank you. And please share this. Please help me grow my channel. Let's learn from each other. Be sure and comment. I like to learn from you guys just as much as I like to give some tips out there, things like that. Okay? Thanks. Bye.